Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable two-factor authentication for Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you want to enable two-factor authentication for Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Now from here, just tap on your profile in the bottom right, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. And here, just tap on your account center option here, and now you just select password and security. And you'll get the option of two-factor authentication. Just select that option here. Select your Instagram account, and here just select authentication app, or you can also select SMS or WhatsApp. Or if you have selected SMS or WhatsApp, Instagram will send you a message on the WhatsApp or simple SMS. So I'm going to select this SMS or WhatsApp option here. Just select next, and on this page you just have to enter your mobile number, and then your two-factor authentication will be enabled for your mobile number you added. So in this way you can easily enable two-factor authentication for Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.